Welcome to my community of grant writers, nonprofit administrators, and anyone tuning in that wants to write a small business cover letter. On the screen, you see our free downloadable checklist of all the items you need. Most of you who already have businesses can actually go ahead and jot all these items down. If not, jot them down. And once you have them jotted down, you can copy and paste them right into the template that we're going to go over. And it's going to take you no longer than 10 minutes. Let's go. Let's start with the top of your cover letter. Here's how it begins, and here's your first fill-in information. Just your contact information and addressing the funder. And this is your first paragraph, introducing yourself to the grant committee or the grant funder, and you introduce your business name and the city and state and the type of business that you are. And once it's filled in, this is what it looks like. And this is our fictitious company, the Sports Clothing, and you're submitting it to the Arizona Small Business Growth Fund. And your second paragraph deals with when you were funded, your business name, and your mission, and the type of services you provide. And here's your example and all the perfect wording that you need. You don't have to worry about the wording. It's already there for you. Just insert that information where I tell you to insert it. And this, guys, isn't going to take any more than 10 minutes. Your third paragraph. This grant would allow us to what? You're going to summarize your goals, what your enhancements are, why they're important, and what your key challenges are. And here's your example. The grant will allow you to expand your marketing reach or your customer demand, how much you are asking them for. And your final and fourth paragraph, you're going to say what the funds will be used for, how it contributes to the community or the economic benefits, and then you're going to attach the specific attachments that they're looking for, like your business plan, your budget, etc. And your example of your Arizona Small Business Growth Fund that you're presenting the program to. This is what it looks like. Thank them for your consideration and put your name and your contact person. And here's what that final letter looked like that I just took you through step by step. And you know what's so great about this letter? You can use this same wording as an introduction for your proposal. You can use it as a part of your executive summary. So this is a multi-purpose document. So I suggest you make sure you download it. There's the link below at podia.com, and you put it in your portfolio that I always talk to you about in my other videos. Check them out so that you can have a full binder of everything you need to get in there and dive in and apply for a lot of different grants. And here's what that total fill-in looks like that we just went over step by step. Once it's all prepared like the previous letter that I just showed you, you put all of these items in your portfolio. So for future references, you can use this for all your cover letters. And how do you get started? If you want to fast track, you can take my classes. Not only do I have cover letters on there, but I have every step-by-step with downloadable items, then templates that you can use for every aspect of your business plan or your grant proposal. Or you can subscribe to my channel and check out all my other related videos. So guys, take that first step. Get your free downloadable documents that I have waiting on you. Start writing. Believe in yourself. Your community is counting on it. And check out all my other videos and subscribe so we can keep this thing going. This is W.C. Ballard checking out.